Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Shopify and Daraz, two popular platforms that people are using to start selling online. Even though both help you run an online business, they work in very different ways. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your goals better. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check that link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Let's get started. First off, a quick overview of these platforms. Shopify is a website builder that lets you create your own online store. You control everything from the design to the products to how you want to receive payments. It's really good for people who want full ownership of their store and want to build a real brand. On the other hand, Daraz is an online marketplace where you list your products next to thousands of other sellers. Instead of building your own website, you simply upload your items and start selling in a ready made marketplace where customers are already searching. Now, let's move to features. Shopify gives you a complete set of tools to build and grow an online store. You can choose from many themes, customize your layout, add apps, track inventory, set your own shipping rules, and accept payments however you want. It also gives you powerful marketing tools like discount codes, email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, and integrations with Facebook and TikTok. Meanwhile, Daraz focuses more on helping you list your products quickly and reach buyers already using the Daraz platform. You can manage orders, view analytics, join campaigns, and offer vouchers, but your store design and branding options are limited since everything follows Daraz's marketplace layout. Next up is user experience. Shopify's dashboard is clean and simple, which makes it easy for beginners to learn the basics. You can drag and drop page sections, upload products easily, and manage everything from one place. But since Shopify has many tools, new users might feel a little overwhelmed at first, especially if they're new to setting up a website. They've never done it before. On the other hand, Daraz is very beginner friendly because all you need to do is sign up, upload your product photos, and set a price. Then you're ready to start selling. You don't need to build a website or think about design. However, this ease of use comes at a cost because you don't get full control over how your store looks. Let's talk about reach and marketing. Shopify, you're responsible for bringing traffic to your store, which means you'll need to run ads or promote your business on social media. Now, the upside is that once you build your brand, customers come directly to you. Now, Daraz works differently because it already has millions of buyers searching for products every day. This means that your listings can get views even if you're new, but you're also competing with many sellers offering similar or the same products, often at lower prices. So, which one do you choose? If you want to build your own brand, control over your store fully, and scale a long term business, Shopify is the better option. It gives you flexibility and tools to grow however you like. But if you want to just start selling quickly without building a website or learning marketing, Daraz is easier and faster to begin with. All right, that's easy. That's easy. That is easy. That's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.